Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing your battery usage stats on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select System from the left sidebar. Now select Power and Battery. In Power and Battery settings, click Battery Usage. Here you can view your recent battery usage. You can switch between the last 24 hours and 7 days. If you scroll down, you can see how much battery different apps have been using. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.